Hello and welcome to a quick tutorial from EPOS. Today I'm going to show you a little report that we built in, so whenever a customer ever comes in and they want to know information that you physically store on them, you can press this button, print it out and hand it to them, or convert it to a PDF or email it to them as well. So what I mean by that is I shall log myself in, go over to Customers and Marketing and go to the Customer Database section, and then I'm going to search for a customer, so I'll just pick one at random. Let's go for this one here like so. And then what I'll do is I shall now click this button here. It says Produce Data Report for Selected Customer. So I click on that now. It'll then ask you where you want to save it. So I've already previously saved one, so I won't bother at the moment, but you save it somewhere in your desktop, in your folders, anything like that. And then once you've done that, you can then open up the actual file and have a look at it, see what it actually produced for you. So if I open this one now, so you get something like this. So there's my customer report for Leslie Phillips. And then obviously it gives you your company logo on there, any sort of when the last report was actually done, because all the personal details that you store on them is stored up here, and then there's some basic statistics on them as well, so you can actually see how many times they visited, how many items they physically bought, that sort of stuff. So it gives you a little bit of statistical data in there as well. It also stores if you've got any notes linked to that customer as well, that brings it up there as well. So it's literally just that. So that's pretty much anything you have in there, to be quite frank. We are going to be having an extended report that can give out more detail about certain customer pets or anything like that you may store on them as well. So what we'll probably do is we'll probably add in an extra feature as well to do that, so you can actually see that other further data as well. So there you have it, nice quick and simple one there for you. Do hope you enjoy it. Thanks for watching. See you next time. See you now.